It's confusing mystery time. I've got a program here that is running, and one of the things it's doing is calculating electric and magnetic field strengths in order to plot the behavior, electromagnetic behavior of radiation. So you can see it's producing these images here. So what I'm interested in is this. Okay, let's get the stopwatch and let's start it when this gets to 2,000 iterations. And I'll stop it when it gets to 2,100. We'll look at the time it takes. So I'll talk now while it's running through the rest of these iterations. It calculates roughly how long in integer minutes, integer seconds, between the previous step and that step, and then works out from that, based on how many steps left, how long they think it's going to take, the code thinks it's going to take to finish executing. And we've got 1,000 steps that we're doing in this particular code. What I've discovered is if I randomly spam the Alt key, it executes the code more quickly. And I don't understand why. There's no input, no keyboard input that I've built into the code or anything like that. It's just something I notice. And you'll even notice this number goes down when I spam Alt as well. You'll see. So we're on 48 seconds, coming up to 2090. So I'm timing how long a 100 iterations takes, 54 seconds. Remember that number, 54 seconds. Right, ready? Let's do it again when it gets to, I don't want to wait until it gets all the way around. Let's do it when it gets to 2,140, and I'll go up to 2,240. Ready? And commence spamming. And you'll notice that the number of minutes to go is lower as well. I am just spamming Alt. That's all I'm doing. Alt, 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 Alt. I'm not doing anything else. 2,240 is the number we're trying to go for. What was it? 54 seconds before? And now it is 28. I'm not doing any tricks. There's no tricks here. I don't know why this is happening. If I sit there and spam the Alt key, I discovered this quite by accident. It's half. It's taking half as long. It's running twice as quickly if I spam the Alt key. Look, 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 look. Minutes to go. 8, 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, 6. Spam the Alt key. 3, 3, 3, 3, 3. It's taking half as long to execute the code if I spam Alt. I don't know why. It's a mystery. I'm using, let's just load up the abouts. There we are. I'm using Thonny. I think that's how I'm going to pronounce it. Anyway, 4.0.2 running on this Chromebook in Crostini. That's what I've got running. It's just executing this code, which I'm going to share at some later point. And there we go. If you want your code to run faster, just spam Alt. And it runs faster. Look, look, I'm not making it up. Why? I have no idea why. Weird.